A couple shipments arrived here recently, and one should be really cool, and one should be, we'll see. I may end up doing this in 2 parts, depending upon how the video holds up on this. But in case you can't make that out, this one that I'm really looking forward to is from the Godfather, Eddie Papandrea. Eddie from Simple Kustoms by Eddie Papandrea. I have cut this open already. Haven't been into it yet. So, Robertolini's pasta. I don't know if you've seen Eddie's channel. Eddie does a lot of cooking on his channel. Maybe I'm lucky and he threw some food in here while we're at it. 'Cause I'm old and I'm fat and I need more food. What do we got in here, Eddie? Okay, throw that off to the side. When Eddie got what I sent him, he bitched and moaned about the packing. So I'm assuming this thing's just gonna come apart super easy, which so far it already is. I sent Eddie the Aerosmith van that I did for the Diecast Graveyard Super Ginormous build. Eddie, I'm not seeing pasta here. What the hell? Okay. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Oh, that's just me. Now I have like an ice cream cup. Now I want ice cream too. Jesus, Eddie. How am I supposed to get this open? Oh, there we go. Got to do this gently. No ice cream. Anyhow, let's see. Gotta do this gently. Oh, wow. I've seen the pictures of it, but the pictures don't do it justice. Everybody knows I like a Kool Kombi, and Eddie's taken a Kool Kombi and just blown that thing up. This is wild. This is so freaking cool, Eddie. I love that. That is... I'm going to show some glamour shots with this too when I get through. At the end of this video, I'll throw some glamour shots on there. But damn. That... Well, let me just say I made out on this trade. I gave you that crappy old Aerosmith van, and I got this blown out Queen Kombi. I made out like a bandit on this trade. Anyhow, thanks, Eddie. This is freaking fantastic. I'm trying to avoid the swear words. Everybody thinks I'm Mr. Rogers. That's because I do voiceovers. It gets rid of all of the swearing. That is so cool. Thanks, Eddie. I love it. That is so cool. Yeah, I'm throwing some glamour shots at the end of this. Still no pasta. I mean, what the hell? Now I'm hungry. That is too freaking cool. Okay, let's move that to the side. The heck? Oh, this one. This isn't nearly as exciting. This is from the Red Line Club, and I thought, what the hell? I'll open it now, too. I got another set of Real Riders, the set 3. I needed those because I've gone through the previous ones I bought. And while I was at it, they still had the Elite 64 modified 1969 Ford Mustang casting. And yeah, I'm tempted. Let's just leave it at that. I'm tempted. So that and the Rail Riders set 3. Set 3 is the off-road set. So there you have it. That's what arrived. Damn. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Check out the glamour shots coming up in a second. And I'll catch you in the next one.